Hi, I'm Dan, a Senior CSR at Label Technology. Label Technology is a flexographic printer of pressure-sensitive labels and flexible packaging for a wide variety of products. I would now like to take this opportunity to show you an overview of how flexographic printing works. Flexographic printing, most often called flexo, is a form of relief printing where ink is applied to a raised image on a flexible plate, then impressed onto a substrate. The use of flexo printing has grown in recent years because of improvements in print quality, the capability to print on many different substrates, and the use of environmentally responsible water-based inks. The printing process begins with the artwork, which is optimized for flexo printing. The next step in the process is to manufacture a flexible printing plate. This process involves exposing a photopolymer plate to UV light, which will build up the image areas. When completed, the image to be printed will be raised above the base level of the plate. Each color to be used in the art will have its own plate and will be mounted to its own plate cylinder on the press. The flexo printing press is composed of a number of stations, which corresponds to how many colors can be printed. Label Technology can print up to 10 colors in one pass. In each station of the press there are 3 rolls: the Analox roll, the plate cylinder, and the impression cylinder. The Analox roll has a surface made up of tiny cells which carry the ink from a reservoir and place it on the printing plate. The plate cylinder is the roll which the photopolymer plate is mounted to. And finally, the impression roll is what supports the substrate as the ink is transferred from the plate cylinder and impression cylinder to transfer the image. This system of cylinders transfers the ink in each station to the substrate before moving on to the next station with the next color. Each ink transfer must line up exactly in order to print a good quality image. The ink used in flexo printing is fast drying, so the ink dries as the material web moves through each station. Our water-based process inks were developed exclusively for Label Technology and offer excellent film adhesion, bond strength, and adhesive smear resistance. Ink blending is fully automated for the highest degree of accuracy run after run. We perform pre- and post-run drawdowns to ensure color standards are approved and then reproducible. For production efficiency, the web width will be maximized through the printing process before going to a secondary process to slit the web to the width required for the type of packaging equipment utilized. One of the more interesting facets of flexo printing is the ability to reverse print artwork. A mirror image is printed on what would be considered the back side of the film. Once printed, the printed film is laminated to a base material and the ink is buried between the layers of film. This method protects the ink from scuffing and keeps it from coming into contact with any of the packaged product. At Label Technology, we have been flexo printing labels and flexible packaging since 1986 and today operate 9 flexo presses with up to 10 colors available. We are known for the ability to print high-definition process images, extremely small type, and difficult vignettes.